Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials, and this is yet another series of What Is. In today's episode, we will learn what do we mean by accessibility testing. Whenever if you are in any role, either front-end developer or a product owner or even an architect, you are bound to understand and apply and adhere to the accessibility rules. What it simply means is that our application should be able to behave, interact, and support people of differently abled. We'll learn all about it. Let's get started. So, what is accessibility testing? Accessibility testing is a subset of usability testing, where in the users under consideration are people with all abilities and disabilities, or we can also call differently abled. Now in this, some are visually impaired, some are physically impaired, hearing impatient, cognitive, and learning impaired. What this means is that we are trying to build applications which are universally accessible. No matter if a person is having any kind of disabilities or different abilities, he should still be able to interact with our application smoothly and should be able to interact and use our system. It's a very important part because most applications which are global standards have to adhere to accessibility testing. So when you are developing, all of this you should keep in mind because the product will not be accepted if it doesn't meet the accessibility rules, right? So no matter how good you develop a product or no matter how uh, beautifully you architect, no matter how complex logic or tools you use, if your application is not adhering to accessibility testing, it will not be considered accepted. So what needs to be done, right? How to perform accessibility testing? So there is a consortium of people of a group which is called Web Accessibility Initiative, WAI, which has set together a set of rules, set of guidelines that we need to follow to make sure that it includes everything that is listed down. This particular rules and compliances include specific issues such as color blindness, text to speech, and other tools which perform automated spidering tools, right? So there are tools which can run automated checks and tell us that whether our application adheres to the accessibility testing or not. It's a very important tool, and there would be usually a separate tool which is separate team which uses advanced tools, can can evaluate and find out the gap between your application and the accessibility rules that are set. So what are some of the basic checklist, right? So as a developer, I have come up with this list that will help you whenever you're developing any software. Think about these conditions that I've written and make sure that you are answering them true, because this particular checklist will help you understand the accessibility rules and also help you improve your application. So let's go through them. First and foremost, check that the labels are correctly written and placed. This is very simple because these are called area labels, right? If you open Bootstrap or Material Design, you would see something called area labels. So right, so those are important. Then check for if the audio video content is properly audible or visible or not. Then check if the color contrast ratio is maintained or not, which includes the fact that there has to be a color palettes which has to match, which has to suit, right? It cannot be too dark, it cannot be too bright, and all of that. Check if the control actions for video are working fine or not. Check if the short keys are provided for the menu, right? Shortcut keys, like for example, Control F, Control S, etc. Need to check if the tab navigation is working correctly. So if you are especially working with a form, it makes easy to hit the tab and go to the next form element, right? So make sure that the tabs are properly implemented. Then check that if the headings are unique, right? And it adheres to the proper meaning. There is a structure, H1, H2. The link text is written with content description. If there is an image which is missing, make sure that you add a ALT attribute. Uh, adding meaningful multimedia captions, and even better, the content is clear, because when we are rendering our content or applications on devices like tablet or phone, there are text to speech, right? So your content should be easy to be read out. So these are some of the main important checklists that you should follow if you are looking for accessibility guidelines. I'm sure if you implement all of these, your application will definitely pass the accessibility testing. Thank you so much for joining. I hope this was helpful to you and you have learned something new. Keep learning, keep growing. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you so much.